What is the purpose of ing in English? The English ing is used for the English gerund and for the present participle. That's why the gerund and the present participle are called ing form. However, there are differences between the two. Ing is mainly used to talk about activities. Number one, used as the subject of a sentence. Flying makes me nervous. Eating fast food is bad for your health. Number two, used as a compliment. He likes playing soccer. He likes playing soccer. I love watching anime. I love watching anime. I enjoy reading books. Number three, used as an adjective. It's disgusting. This TV program is interesting. It's discouraging. She is boring. My job is tiring. Running water. Used as a name. A wedding. Painting. For activities. Swimming. Surfing. Fishing. Skateboarding. Traveling. Reading. Number six, we can use it with while or by. I listen music while going to the supermarket. He reads a book while watching TV. You should find it by using internet. Number seven, use after a preposition. I'm interested in teaching French to foreigners. He's good at playing video games. After some phrasal verbs. I look forward to hearing from you soon at the end of a letter. He wants to give up smoking. Number 10, compound names. Bird watching, a swimming pool, a developing country, shaving cream, good looking, a washing machine, a driving lesson, a frying pan, a sleeping bag. Number 8, with the progressive form of a verb. Present progressive, I am watching TV. Present perfect progressive, I have been watching TV. Past progressive, I was watching TV. Past perfect progressive, I had been watching TV. Future progressive, I will be watching TV. Future perfect progressive, I will have been watching TV. Number 11. After some expressions. Can't stand, can't help, don't mind. It's no use. Slash good. Be plus worth. He couldn't help falling in love with her. I can't stand being late for the movie. I don't mind waiting for her. It's no use slash good lying to her. It might be worth visiting the park at night. For expressions that end with a preposition. There's no point in driving to the party. The road is jammed. In spite of missing the plane, she arrived on time. What about having dinner now? After no, to express the prohibition. You may have already seen those signs. No smoking, no parking, no skateboarding, no littering. How the verb and ing is formed in English? The ing can be added to the verbal base. Be, being. Do, doing. Want, wanting. Ski, skiing. Call, calling. Read, reading. Say, saying. Verbs that end in a silent E, lose it if you add an ing. Love, loving. Come, coming. Make, making. Dance, dancing. Have, having, move, moving. Verbs that end in a silent E, lose it if you add an ing. Love, loving. Come, coming. Make, making. Dance, dancing. Have, having. Move, moving. The verb ends in ie, it must be replaced by ying. Die, dying. Tie, tying. Lie, lying. If the verb ends in consonant, vowel, consonant, and is fully accented or at the end consonant must be doubled and ing added. Begin, beginning. Stop, stopping. Sit, sitting. Get, getting. Plan, planning. Run, running. Accent is not on the end, simply add ing. Happen, happening. Listen, listening. Open, opening. Visit, visiting. If the verb ends in W, X, or Y, we simply add ing. Play, playing. Snow, snowing. Fix, fixing. Spy, spying. Spray, spraying. Beware of verbs ending in C. There are not many of them. Panic, panicking. Mimic, mimicking.